ahomano so Sylvester Sapon okasa ema CPP akokọ batan amanyekuo no Sylvester na te saying
boko mini announce
adom papa ne yedi nie pa
amen
CPP for mo concern ne say Ghana this year wo apply say ombe police soldier immigration fire service and now person mo wura security adwuma ni mu e wo man mu no ne yam peke no yam fa ni sika de top forms e ma no me pam cho sa pepe na mo kan no
ano ka ho minia e na me da ase ma me na ase na me na o mo team for so ase so munya time na o mo so o mo CPP asem ne nsem ma ye kan ye pese ye so ye de bo o man no
yes sir
ye kan say enye wo mo a ye be fa yam fa wo mo no nko na ye fa mo sika wo mo de ye be fa wo mo krampo no e wo se ye de wo mo sika mo so because o minor jumana ye no o minor ye build no so it is not for sale so because today agent AC can change say ano imagine say ebia obiti isansi bontefu ana ebia obiti chiranda ewo Kentampo area hono mana kaka na opeso apply for 5 of these because well immigration police army fire service and prisons so what I say it's say Ghana ni man our qualify no okope 5 million cedis na susuam pass na na Akufo-Addo economy we na wo no wo kofa 5 million e boom e we hin and na wo ko tua kran so there is no guarantees here be foul we believe said they are no security services here no but for custom here no extortion. There is a massive extortion going on by government agencies. And at the president of Ghana, human rights lawyer Diaboli Nana Akufo-Addo, all supervises the continuation of this disaster. Now, there is corruption in Ghana. So we compare the application paper no. Now, just this what 200 cities. Now, President Akufo-Addo government and one more cassette with COVID protocols. And boys equal bank, girls equal bank, saline, COVID in it should be free. It should be online. Our Ghana, no apply online. No, yet, Mama Ghana. Now, what do you mean 500 cities and my buy mama? Now, me say 500 cities. Me towing toes. I will table to a fee anymore. So 500 cities for Popusia. Let me get post in here. A better means me now quite a many blog no. No confess can we be this can. So disappointment and they say you see President Akufo-Addo, he has been such a massive disappointment. The youth of this country had placed their hope in President Akufo-Addo. President Akufo-Addo talked a big game. He made great promises to us. We put our faith in the president and he has let us down massively to the extent to say what and the Ghana for youth security agencies never see Ghana youth council and the and our president the way in and one another aeroplane ya ka mum yenka it's a youth no work from no tese bresa me baby am tie ne Accra ha nsuo toye me area youth no did that kiosk mu na nsuo afita kiosk no na boys ni girls but toilet to crawl back toilet to cry kiosk is your bear hand baby all the city of Accra. Is the president not aware of these things? Youth country is so hopeless. And then you are surprised that things are not going on well. So what we are saying is that if by the 21st of September, President Kwame Nkrumah birthday, Nanado will be a sick man. You don't back court, you bet Nanado Akujina court. No, actually, we supervising such a massive extortion of the Ghanaian youth. Your position, no.
Bema asma ukai enye Nanado abankwa. Nyame bo wiase wie nyina ya yatimu yi aban bia ba forms ne yeton ade na Nanado pension na moni aba mo.
And that is my point. You see, Nanado is no ordinary president. We keep saying Nana Akufo-Addo Dankwa, he is the best prepared Ghanaian now running for president ever. Remember, President Akufo-Addo no, baby Ofriba, he's always talking about the Ghana project, Dankwa Buzia tradition, Ofori Penny Fie, Papai, Ghana, Sikaya Diakano, he's one of our best, at least. That's what we thought. Okuko school abroche with members of the royal family near the we had great expectations of Nana Akufo-Addo, not only to do this in a new way, but to put an end to issues now, and see, here CPP for we are not interested in the business of comparing one political party to another. To say the MPP and NDC, the eternity and another no abet na to say here, a channel. Public person means them. Now do any work or any premuses here on the president. He should solve it. We don't care about what happened when President Mahama was president. And not in your two President Mahama. No, it's another no. On the Trinkwa, and it's what me president say. But the NPP should be warned. The youth of this country, they've had it. They've had it. We cannot continue like this anymore.
Wonderful. Damena, and she must have a court that being.
Yamano, Kwame Nkrumah birthday, September 21. Senanado by September 22 on Farman Fosika Maoma, we are going to go for him and drag him to court.
Adena, Kwame Nkrumah birthday na modi asimi akwese.
Na say independence. Kwame Nkrumah Nigeria who be my. It is the Kwame Nkrumah birthday no a signal that the youth of Ghana no they want to be free, freedom in the ability to develop themselves. So I say, now President Obaya or so the Juma Bano says what is massive unemployment and about the years. Okaka was saying NAPCO no cram to meet your mocha. But I say, now you go for a school, association and nuclear science near the idea, which as a job. You understand? Yeah, it is a disaster. And I can never see a the university for the and the other community as Nicky Mokoy. Yakov Boka, interest on break creative Juma from Hatino. Omunti min creative Jumano. And I did the try and camouflage. I've heard almost COVID. Then I put for the amount $2 billion. President Ben and I teach the President Kwame Nkrumah teach the President Ben Yamanu $2 billion. Billion would be for boy. Nanado free bonto money. And your loan. Free bonto money.
So why are research share? Kwame Nkrumah pencil na security forms ni entong.
Oh, President Kwame Nkrumah the security forms no be amayen. Said President Kwame Nkrumah does not behave like that. The policies of the CPP do not support that. We are the party of social equity and scientific socialism, work and happiness.
Me Kwame.